Ladies and gentlemen, Isabella Grace Briones Arceo to share with us her memory verses.
Hello, my name is Isabella Grace Arceo. I'm gonna show you a pile of my memory verses.
Okay, first verse.
The Lord is good to all.
Can you share it with the sign language?
Yes!
Go ahead.
The Lord is good to all.
What book is that from?
Psalm 145:9.
Okay, second memory verse.
Rejoice in the Lord always. I will say it again, rejoice.
And that's from?
Philippians 4:4.
Okay, third memory verse.
Trust in the Lord always.
Okay, can you do it with trust in the Lord with?
Trust in the Lord with all your heart.
Okay, can you do it with the sign language?
Yes.
Okay, very good.
Trust in the Lord.
How do you say it, Lord? Okay, do it again. You're okay.
Trust in...
With sign language.
Trust in the...
How do you say Lord?
Lord?
Lord.
Lord, with all your heart.
Okay, that's from Proverbs.
Proverbs 35.
Okay, and the last one, a
A
friend.
friend loves at all time.
Okay, can you do that with your sign language?
Yeah.
Okay.
A friend.
You can do it. A friend.
A friend loves at all times.
And that's from
Proverbs 17:17.
Very good. Can you give us a bow? Thank you very much,